Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut stock video to easily add audio spectrum animations to your videos on CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is find the CapCut library by clicking on the overlay and click on add overlay and choose CapCut library. So in here, to find the audio spectrum, let's just use this search column, or you can also find it on the green screen. Okay, this one, audio spectrum. So just select the audio spectrum video or effects that you want. So for example, here I'm going to just add okay, this one. Click on the video and click on add. Here you can use the splice or blend option to get rid of the black background. Okay, just select the mode that you want and put it in anywhere you like. So this is it. So guys, that's how you can add the audio spectrum overlay to your videos using the CapCut library. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.